This is the new 2021 Forest River Stealth FQ2413. This comfy toy hauler can sleep up to 6 people with over 13 feet of cargo space. You will have plenty of room for all your toys and all your guests. This floor plan offers an electric pass-through dinette, a private front bedroom equipped with a queen bed, outside storage, and a radius shower. With Forest River's off-road approved chassis, you will be able to reach the destination off the beaten path. This is the new 2021 Forest River Stealth FQ2413. Your next adventure awaits at RV Travel World.